All right, let's cut to the chase. If you're looking for stocks to add to your watch list today, 3 names should be front and center: Centene Corporation, Molina Healthcare, and PG&E. Now, you might be asking, why these? First, Centene and Molina are both big players in the managed healthcare space. In a year where healthcare spending continues to rise and government contracts are getting even more lucrative, these companies look pretty solid. When the market gets choppy, I like to have some healthcare exposure for that stability. And both CNC and MOH have a track record of steady revenue growth, even when other sectors get shaky. PG&E, on the other hand, is all about utilities, one of my favorite defensive plays. With energy demand climbing and infrastructure spending picking up, utilities like PCG have been quietly outperforming. Plus, there's always that steady dividend potential. Now, I always say, don't just buy because someone says so. Do your own research, dig into the balance sheets, and make sure it fits your portfolio and risk tolerance. But if you're after stability with some upside, CNC, MOH, and PCG are 3 tickers I'm definitely watching right now. Let me know in the comments if you're picking up shares or if you've got your eye on something else. And remember, smart trading isn't about chasing hype. It's about spotting opportunities before the crowd does. All right, that's it for today. Make sure you hit subscribe for more quick stock breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.